Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Huggy Wuggy as an Among Us character. It's going to be real simple, easy, and for beginners. This one should be very simple. So let's kind of jump right into it, alright? I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a curved line over here for the visor area. So for example, over here I'm going to curve one side. Going to go on the top here, curve over. Alright. Gonna do the same thing on this edge. Curve along here. And then underneath. Okay. Let's go and start on his mouth. So I'm gonna have a curve here. This is the outer edge of his lip. I'm gonna go on that side. It's gonna go into like kind of a smile. Go over here to a smile. Pull down here on this side. Pull down here on this side. And then curve underneath. Curve around here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it like the outer edge of his lips, or like a tube, pretty much. So I'm just kind of putting that exact same shape, but on the inside. Right? So it looks like a tube. Looks like Play-Doh. Woo! Alright, let's go over here and we can draw the teeth right here. And it's really just like a zigzag shape in his mouth. Right on. Line over here. Well, first thing I'm going to draw the head shape. I forgot about that. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to actually draw a little outer more. I'm going to correct myself. Start from the outer edge here of the lip. Over here, over here. Down here. Then I'm going to go on this side. And I'm going to go over here. Same thing. He's got that kind of Wolverine haircut. Okay. So from here, I'm going to pull straight down into that crewmate body. That Among Us crewmate body. On the way down, I'm going to draw a little fuzziness. Let's go here to the front. I'm going to draw the front of that fuzzy body. Down here. Curve underneath. Curve underneath. Up over here. Underneath the body there. Everything has this kind of zigzag thing going on because what you want to do is you want to absolutely convey that he's like made of fur. And let's go up here. Alright. What are we missing? Alright, we're missing the backpack. Gonna go over here and I would say about the level of his visor. Start the backpack over here. And then about the level of his waist over here. And then we're gonna connect this line all the way down. So right here. Right on. Let's find some highlights here. Curve across the visor. And then there, that's the highlight. There you go. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of pull the whole thing together. Don't forget to hit the like button if you do like this design, or if you like being able to draw this, or if you like the lesson or the site. And hit that subscribe. Make this video, if you haven't subscribed yet, make this the video you subscribe. It says that most people that watch this are not subscribed, so make this one the one, so you get notifications on what I post. It'll give you that preview on your feed. Alright, line over here. Now what I'm doing is I'm drawing a thicker line around the contour of him. And what that's going to do is that is going to really give it a, how do you say it? It's going to give it a very style, I don't know how to say it, like a stylized look, I guess. It's a style thing to draw a thicker border around the edge. It is totally a style thing. There you go. And that's it. That was simple, I would think, right? Hopefully it was. If you ever want to do something extra, you can do stuff like, because I know he has a discoloration on his feet. You can kind of do this, like draw a zigzag line here. And right here, for the discoloration that he has going on his feet, you can do that. You can draw maybe a different style of head, or you can draw his other eyes in there and just keep his body in this direction. You can maybe thicken up this line a little bit as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for sticking around. Like I said, there's a playlist I have on Among Us, so go check that out. I'm going to put that in the description. Go take a look at that. Other than that, stick around for the announcement I'm going to make right now, okay, about my Skillshare. See ya. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.